Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 174 different strategies, with 56 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And since we have been keeping track, it has so far outperformed 64 of the strategies that we have put it against, every single one that we've tested it against so far. And we have also tested a total of 997 indicators, with 421 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says buy and sell perfect entry indicator, most profitable strategy on Tradingview. So of course, with that kind of claim, we of course are going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and turn off that indicator there, and the indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the wavy tunnel plus trend ATR, so on and so on, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look similar to this right here. The strategy only has one indicator, and this is the indicator here. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings. So we're not going to change any of the inputs, but what we will do is we'll go into the settings, and of course this is just how I have it set up. You can change it if you would like, keep some on, keep some off, but I turned off these 4 top selections here, I guess we'll call them. I turned off the, I don't think the buy more and buy signals were on. And then I went ahead and turned off the labels as well. And that gives you what you see here on screen now. And so what we're looking for is when we get a buy signal or a sell signal. And when we get a buy signal, for example, what we're looking for is a green buy signal. We're looking for a green candle. We're looking for this dot up here at the top to be green, and we're looking for the cloud. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a cloud kind of embedded to also be green. The dots up here and the cloud kind of coincide with the with each other at the same color. And then we're looking for price action to be above these purple moving average bands right here. Once all those line up, that's going to be your signal to then enter into a long trade. So we'll put a long right there. We'll set our stop just below the last swing, and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. And you see that we make a relatively decent push up there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, again, what we are looking for is going to be the red sell signal. We're looking for a red bar. We're looking for the cloud and these dots here to be red, and then we're looking for price action to be below those purple moving average bands. Once all those line up there, that will be your signal to then go short. We'll put our stop right above the last swing, and we'll target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so we kind of bounce around there a little bit, not really moving much, and then we make this spike to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting it at a 34% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for a total loss of $3,000 altogether. So definitely not the most profitable strategy on Tradingview. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 48 trades during the same period of time. We had 41 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for a total gain of $18,300 altogether. Now, significantly better if that number seems a little extreme, cut that down by even a fourth or an eighth, and you can see how by reducing your risk considerably, you can even have a decent little return still on it. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, so it's super cheap for a profitable trading indicator. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin on the 30-minute time frame. Each week, keep track of the signals that it gives, again using the Academy of Forex indicator. So last week we had 5 trades on the Forex pairs, 3 winning, 2 losing, a 60% win rate with a gain of $240. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning, 1 losing, 66% win rate with a gain of $420. So for this week altogether, would have been at $660. Add that to our weekly total, and at 9 weeks now, we'd been at a total of $18,040. So when I say in a few weeks, a couple months, you can make tens of thousands of dollars. You can see how that's possible with just a few Forex pairs and a couple handfuls of trades each week. And so that's it for this strategy here. This one's obviously going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.